Hey guys, the baby girl just woke up from her nap. Ugh. I died this afternoon. I apologize for not vlogging earlier. It's 2:30. I have to go get her shortly. Ugh. Anyways, so this morning I went to my mom's house to have lunch with the baby. And I made a very foolish mistake, and my mom was like, do you want to have some avocado in your salad? And as you guys know, my stomach's been like really bad, but it's been getting better, with the exception of I had meatloaf that had barbecue sauce in it like last week, and today having the avocado, I died. Like, that was the worst pain I think I've had. Like, it felt like early labor. It was so painful, and it was like, it's like a sharp stabbing pain right there, like right in your stomach, and it literally, it's very strong and very sharp, and then I bloat like crazy. And like, I'm not even kidding, like I have a very high pain tolerance. Well, I won't say very high, but I have a high pain tolerance, and I like just broke down and started to cry. It hurt so bad. And then I know this is TMI, but I want to share my symptoms because a lot of you have said you're having similar things as me. So if what I'm like going through will maybe help you. So I had to go to the bathroom twice, so like the runs twice, and I'm better now because I put a heating pad on my stomach. That's the only thing that works, is a heating pad, and like half a teaspoon of baking soda in like a little bit of lukewarm water, and that settles it. It's still like upset and burny, but it's better. Like, I'm not in excruciating pain, because I'm not kidding, it was like horrible, like horrible pain. So I think based on that, I am allergic or have an intolerance to avocados, which is something I used to eat all the time, like no problem, but now obviously I can't. So at least I am now learning like what foods to eat and what not to eat. I can't have any sort of like barbecue sauces, I can't have bananas, I can't have avocado. And the shitty part is, tonight Colin and I are gonna go for a date night to the keg, and I almost canceled because I was like, what am I gonna eat? Like, I don't even want to think about food. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna have. But then I thought, well, it'll still be nice just for the two of us to get out and have that quality time together. So I might just have, they have like basa fish, which is like a plain white fish. So I might just have that and their sourdough bread, and that's it. Because I don't know, it just sucks. Like, it hurts so bad. She's kicking. Her crib is like right above the living room here, and I can hear her. She kicks the crib, and all you hear is bang, 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 because she kicks her feet. She's just banging away up there. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get her, although I wish I could just like lay on the couch all day with a heating pad. It does feel better, but it kind of hurts still, but it's not like excruciating. So I gotta go with the baby, and my parents are coming around 5 to babysit so that I can have a shower and fix myself up, because I'm not going to dinner with my hair like this. And I thought about getting my hair like only like doing not just highlights, but like my whole head, like just like the root, so it'll always be like just all blonde. I don't know, we'll see though. Also, pretty sure I have gone through baby names like crazy the past like week or two, and no, I'm not pregnant. We're not trying obviously right now because my stomach's so messed up. I'm gonna go to Princess. So I want to heal that for at least a couple months before we start trying. But I have a very strong feeling that we're gonna have another girl when I do get pregnant. I could be wrong, and we might have a boy, but I just think girl. So I've been looking up baby girl names like crazy, and one of them is the name that I'm like 90% sure we're gonna go with is actually was in my video, the baby names we love and will probably use, and I'm just in love with it. And I picked a more masculine middle name, so it'll kind of match Blake's name. So yeah, I'm just really excited, but I'm just gonna like play with her and like just chill, try and relax. My tummy hurts so bad, but it was a lot worse. Like I was crying, it hurt so bad. So I don't know if I should call it. It really wants me to go to the doctor, but I hate going to the doctor because to me, I mean, obviously certain things need medical intervention, but I hate taking prescriptions and stuff like that because to me it's just a band-aid solution and you need to fix like what's really going on. So, but the fact that I've been this way on and off for like over a month now, oh, here she's crying now. I think I need to like do something about it, you know? Hi, baby. Hi, baby girl. Hi, sweet girl. Your noise machine off. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Did you have a good nap? You want to get up now? You got your puppy? That was Mommy's puppy when she was a baby. Yeah. That's your puppy? Turn your monitor off. Come here. Come see Mommy. Oh. Also, look how cute her shirt is. It's from Walmart. It was like, it came with a set with matching baby. Light blue, the same color as that little flower on her shirt. Little shorts. So it's so cute. Oh goodness. Anyone else's child does this? Oh goodness. Okay, let's put you down. There we go. She always does that when I'm holding her. If she sees something she wants, she's like, boom, like dives for it. So I'll just put you here for a second to look at this hair. Oh my God. Hi. One of you on Instagram told me not to put ponytails in her hair so much because I was putting, oh my God, I have to dust your horsey. I need to clean my house. Not to put ponytails in her hair every day because that can cause alopecia, which if you don't know, that's like hair loss, because apparently tight ponies can like cut off the circulation or something and it can damage the follicle and then not grow back. So she's au naturel today. She had a headband on, so I'm gonna start using just like headbands and clips, and like once in a while I'll do a ponytail. I don't. What happened? What, honey? Get your bucket. It's okay. Get that bucket. Is there a monkey on your bucket? So yeah, I'm just gonna do the ponytail like once in a while. I still have to do her 10-month update. I still haven't done your update. Look at this sassiness. Oh, is that the baby? Say, I'm au naturel today with my hair, because she's got quite a bit of hair for a 10-month-old, I think. Don't you? Don't you, baby girl? And she's pointing at everything and going, Bubba. Aren't you? She's still so little. Still in size 3 diapers. Your socks falling off. Are these your Monday socks? Do they say Monday? And they have little strawberries on them. You are just the cutest. Y'all, I really need to shave my legs. Ugh, and they're so dry. If you can recommend a good moisturizer, that would be super helpful, because obviously the one that I'm using doesn't work because I use it every night and my legs are like alligator scales. It's disgusting. Yeah, it's gross. So please recommend a really good moisturizer that's not very expensive. And I really need to get a new self-tanner. And tomorrow I have to get groceries. And I told Colin, I was like, I'm going to spend like $300 because we are out of everything. Oh, goodness. So I really need lots of groceries. So, but it's a holiday today, so everything's closed. So I'll go tomorrow. Where are you going? But I'm going to play with her right now. And we'll talk to you later. Bee's on her horsey. You're a little crooked on there, but that's okay. Is that your horsey? She already rocks. Whoa! Look at you, big girl. You're growing too fast. Stop it. Say stop it. You're growing too fast. Whee! She's at the age where she's trying to do everything I do. So I'm saying that the horsey makes this noise. B. Let's say, go horsey. So she, well, now she's looking at the camera, but she was trying to do it too. She's trying, but she can't. You're so cute. This is seriously my favorite age, like by far. This is what the other baby gate looks like. I really like them because I feel like it just goes with the rest of our decor because it's very rustic and really pretty. So, and it's literally the same price as the black wrought iron ones, but it just looks more rustic because it's like the barn wood. So this little monkey, she's crawling all over the place, just everywhere. So I might wear this dress tonight just because I'm still bloated and it's a little more forgiving. I wore it when I was pregnant too, actually. It's not maternity. It's from Modern Vintage Boutique, I think, size small. And it's got like tons of room, and I really like the lace detailing, and it shows off the legs are really nice. So I might wear this one later. I'm not too sure, but I think this will be like a contender for sure. Also, I haven't really started getting stuff for Blake's first birthday party, but this is kind of the stuff that I've collected so far. So I just have 3 of these little pom-pom things. These were from Party City, and they're from her baptism because her whole birthday is going to be gold and pink, just like everything else, because I love gold and pink. And so I've got 3 of those. I have this little sign. This was just from my shower. And then I have this banner that I got for $12.99 from HomeSense. So I was going to actually put this on her high chair, but it says it's 9 feet of twine. So that might be too big, but it'll be a cute backdrop. So we'll have that. And then these are little mason jars that my mom made for my shower. So that's just a pink and gold. She didn't make them, she painted them. And then like a cream and gold. And then there's this little white one with the flowers. I think that's it. Oh no, there's one more. And then the gold with the pink polka dots. So I'll probably put like flowers in these. Her theme is actually, I might as well just tell you. Her theme's gonna be Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, because she loves that song and it's really cute and it goes with the pink and gold theme. So that's what I have so far, but I'm gonna really start trying in June to get everything together. And she is playing with a whole bunch of hangers. What are you doing? Whoa! Don't eat it, you silly monkey. Oh, see that face? You're so cute. We are on our way to dinner. We're gonna go to the Keg, and this is bringing it old school because we are in Colin's truck, which is very big and very bumpy. Well, this road's really bumpy, but how much is your lift on this truck?
It's a 6-inch lift.
So 6-inch lift, and I'm in a dress. And when we first...
37-inch tires.
37-inch tires. So whenever we went out together in the past, I'd be in a dress and I'm like, no, I don't want to take your truck because I have to like...
And I took the running boards off.
And he took the running boards off. So I have to like lift my leg, and didn't I do this all the way up to like being 8 months, 9 months pregnant?
Yeah.
Like 9 months pregnant, I'm like trying to swing my leg, and luckily there's like a bar here that I just hold on to, and I'd pull myself up. But even at like 8, 9 months pregnant, and you remember how big my belly was, and I was that pregnant trying to get into this truck. But I like taking it because it's nice. I think this eventually should be a family vehicle because well, not a family, but because like we should drive this if we go anywhere, because
come on, Blake, we're going mudding.
Because well, we went mudding on one of our first dates. Because of the lift, if you get into an accident or if you get T-boned, a car's going underneath the truck. You're not gonna be, like, you won't be hurt. I mean, you could be hurt unless another big truck, but it wouldn't be as serious.
You got a fighting chance.
Yeah, exactly. So Colin got burnt to a crisp. I don't know if, oh yeah, it's picking up on camera.
Very rude.
Because he, like Blakey, is very fair. Very fair. You do tan though.
You're talking like you're born in the Dominican.
I'm not.
Fair.
I am not. I am not as fair. I burn, but I tan. I'm way darker than you in the summer. You're like a
little senorita.
You're like a little. You're not little. You're a big Irish guy. I am so darker than you.
Not right now.
Well, you're red.
You're linen.
I am darker. He is very fair. Well, you have a red in your beard. You're very fair, but you can tan. He will tan. It'll go red, and then it turns into a tan.
And then it falls off.
And then it and then it flakes off. So we're going to the keg. I don't think I'm gonna get a steak just because I'm too nervous to. Because I died after
$40 pasta plate. Yeah.
They don't have pasta
Cake was
at the
a
keg.
good idea.
I know. They don't have pasta at the keg. They only have chicken, fish, and steak. You can't get pasta.
I do get pasta. Yeah.
Do they?
Yeah, they have a veggie dish.
Oh, I didn't know that. We'll have to see. Colin still has Psy, because he used to watch Duck Dynasty. Oh my god, we're gonna look so hillbilly. We're really not that country. Like, I'm sure lots of you watching are more country, but that's just embarrassing. Yeah, Psy. I'm 9 months pregnant, trying to get up into your huge truck. Embarrassing. This is what my dress looks like at the bottom. I wore this when I was pregnant last Easter because it's like a flowy dress. Oh, I showed you guys already, but it's really pretty. And then I just have, you can't see, but these wedges, strappy dark wedges on. And they're really comfortable. We are back from dinner. And I'm exhausted.
And
I'm tired. I wanted to have steak, but I decided to have fish instead, and it was very underwhelming.
$50 fish.
$50, no, it was $32 for fish and mashed potatoes and asparagus. Oh, excuse me. But then I got a brownie. And Colin, tell them what you had.
Prime rib.
Prime rib.
She was good.
He's adorable. And now we're, okay, if this didn't seem country before, it does now. We are watching Forged in Fire on the History Network. Comment below if any of your husbands or you watch Forged in Fire. Probably have no idea what it is. It's a show where contestants make knives or swords. There's nothing else on, and I'm tired anyways. We could watch a movie, but it's like 20 to... It's only 20 after 8, and it feels like 11 o'clock. So we're gonna go, and I will see you tomorrow. I'll bring y'all to Walmart with me. Love you, bye.